for the next video of ulingcyril.com, I'm gonna teach you how to block all the porn sites in the internet. We're going to configure your computer to block all the porn sites that you could see, that you could access internet. And to do that, by the way, I'm using Windows 8. And to configure your computer, just access your control panel. There you go, control panel. And click on the network and internet, particularly video network status and task. Once you're in there, on the access type connection, click it, your access type connection, and click on the properties button below. Now, please choose the Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IP v4. This is the Internet Protocol version 4, and click Properties. Here, you could see the obtain DNS server address automatically. We have to use another DNS server address. And the DNS server that we're going to use is this one. Take note of this one. All you have to do is put this on the preferred DNS. That's 208.222.123. And for the alternate DNS server, click the second one. That's 208.67.220. Sorry for that. 220.123. Then click save. Or OK button. Click the OK button. Let's close that one. And now we will going to try. Let's try if it works. So let's search for a porn sites. And there you go. We have a lot of porn sites over here. My porn Bible. Here, free porn videos, xvideos.com. Let's try to click this one if we could access it. And it says here it's been blocked. See? You could see that one? Site blocked. OpenDSS. This domain is blocked. So it means we have just successfully configured your computer to block all the porn sites in the internet. If you like this video, please subscribe. And if you have in mind, please also comment below. Thank you.